So what? Assalamu alayka ya Ali ibn Musa Raza alayhi salam. So what?
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Imam Ali Raza alayhi salam is our 8th Imam. He was very handsome and was called the pride of Bani Hashim. His name was Ali, Laqab or title Raza. Father Imam Musa Kazim ibn Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Mother Bibi Amul Banin Najma
Salamullah alayha.
Salamullah. Wiladat Thursday 11th of Sikar 148 Hijri in Medina, Saudi Arabia. King at Wiladat Mansur. Shahadat died at the age of 55 on Tuesday, 17th of Safar, the 203rd Hijri, was poisoned by King Mahmud in Tus village called Sanabad and later buried in Mashhad, Iran. Period of Imamate about 20 years. After the Shahadat of his father Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam in 183rd Hijri. Children, only one son, named Imam Muhammad Taqi alayhi salam.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Mamun Rashid was the king of Tus. He was a co-ruler. He forced our Imam alayhi salam to come to his capital so that he could boost his government. Mamun later married his daughter to Imam alayhi salam and made him his successor. The king wanted to have a monopoly of Islam. He wanted the government to be seen as Islamic. He later poisoned our beloved Imam. King Mamun Rashid was never sincere in his behavior towards Imam alayhi salam. Seeing the Imam's popularity increase disturbed him immensely, especially after the occasion when he requested Imam to lead Eid prayer as he was not well. He saw that even before Imam alayhi salam had reached the mosque, the people have lined the streets and were reciting takbir. And it seemed that even the walls of Mar were doing the same. He had to ask Imam alayhi salam to go back that day. So what?
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Masjad or miracles of Imam alayhi salam. So what?
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
One occasion, this king has called magicians to play tricks on the Imam alayhi salam while eating. The magicians would pull away the bread that Imam alayhi salam was about to eat. This ridiculed the Imam alayhi salam. In turn, the Imam signaled to a lion weaved in a wall carpet. The lion became alive and ate the magician. The Imam told lion to return to the wall carpet and become the same. So what?
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Once Imam was passing through the wilderness, a hunter was aiming to kill a female deer. The Imam interrupted the hunter and said the deer has requested that it be spared for the time being. It has to go and feed her 2 kids. After she has done this, she will return to the spot and the hunter can kill her. The hunter was puzzled and said, how can you understand its language? And what's the guarantee that the deer will return? The Imam alayhi salam said, I will give the guarantee and I will stand at that spot until it returns. The hunter let go of the deer. After feeding its 2 kids, the deer returned and stood at the same spot and said it's ready for the hunter. So what?
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
This started a tradition of Imam-i-Zamin, which means Imam who guards us. So Shias tie some money in a band on the right arm. When we travel or go for some special cause, so that the Imam guards us. One day, a Jewish scholar was brought by Mamun to debate with Imam alayhi salam. The scholar asked, how can you accept Muhammad alayhi salam to be the prophet of God when he has shown no miracles? Imam alayhi salam replied, the greatest miracles of Allah is the human mind. It allows idea to be thought through and reasoned out. Islam appeals to human reason. Man must accept God through reason and not through miracles. The scholar did not much have to say after that answer. So what? Once Nishapur, Iran scholars and people requested Imam alayhi salam to tell them a hadith. Imam alayhi salam related the following hadith, which is known as the hadith of the golden chain. My father, Imam Musa Kazim, narrated to me from his father, Imam Jafari Sadiq from his father, Imam Muhammad Bakir from his father, Imam Zainul Abidin from his father, Imam Hussein from his father, Imam Ali Ibn Abu Talib alayhi salam, saying, my loved one and the pleasure of my eyes, the messenger of God alayhi salam told me once again that angel Jibreel told him from the God, the kalima of La ilaha illallah is my fort. Whoever said it will enter my fort, and whoever entered my fort will be saved from my punishment. So what? Those who wrote down the hadith number 20,000 more. People started reciting the kalima when Imam put his hand up and continued. Yes, the kalima is Allah's fort. It will provide you with excellent safety, but on one condition only, and that is that you obey and follow us. So what? Hadith of Prophet Muhammad alayhi salam. The Prophet Muhammad alayhi salam said, a part of my body will be buried in the lake of Khurasan, Mashhad, Iran, and any believer who visits him, then Allah will make him enter heaven and will be prevented from entering the hellfire. Salah.
MashaAllah.